Ever dreamt of crafting your own pair of shoes? At ImmersiTravel, we turn that dream into reality. Welcome to Agadir, where every alleyway echoes with Moroccan history and culture. A place where the past meets the present and where travelers transform into artisans. Begin your journey by selecting the leather. A spectrum of colors and textures awaits your touch and imagination. Under the guidance of our master craftsmen, you'll pen your own story. Every snip, every stitch tells a tale of your personal journey. And here's the masterpiece you've forged. Bespoke babouchis, not just a fashion accessory, but a piece of Moroccan heritage you've brought to life. So, are you ready to sculpt raw leather into a work of art? Join us in Agadir for an experience like no other. Head over to ImmersiTravel and secure your spot. Unleash your creativity for a 100th customized pair of babouches.